Here's some Jan Van Eyck trivia. Subscribe. Which painter developed oil painting techniques? Is it A. Jan Van Eyck, B. Pablo Picasso, C. Leonardo da Vinci, or D. Claude Monet? The correct answer is A. Jan Van Eyck. What is the title of Jan Van Eyck's iconic altarpiece? Is it A. Last Supper, B. Isle of Wight, C. Ghent Altarpiece, or D. Northern Lights? The correct answer is C. Ghent Altarpiece. Where was Jan Van Eyck born? Is it A. Maaseik, Belgium, B. Bruges, C. Ghent, or D. Antwerp? The correct answer is A. Maaseik, Belgium. In which century did Jan Van Eyck primarily work? Is it A. 15th century, B. 16th century, C. 18th century, or D. 13th century? The correct answer is A. 15th century. What city is associated with Jan Van Eyck's major works? Is it A. Ghent, B. Amsterdam, C. Paris, or D. Antwerp? The correct answer is A. Ghent. Which art movement is Jan Van Eyck often credited with helping to establish? Is it A. Baroque, B. Impressionism, C. Northern Renaissance, or D. Cubism? The correct answer is C. Northern Renaissance. What medium did Jan Van Eyck famously utilize? Is it A. Acrylic, B. Oil paint, C. Pastel, or D. Watercolor? The correct answer is B. Oil paint. Which royal figure is depicted in the Arnolfini Portrait? Is it A. Louis XIV, B. Giovanni di Niccolao di Arnolfini, C. King Henry VIII, or D. Queen Elizabeth I? The correct answer is B. Giovanni di Niccolao di Arnolfini. Which city did Jan Van Eyck work for as a court painter? Is it A. Antwerp, B. Brussels, C. Bruges, or D. Ghent? The correct answer is C. Bruges. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.